Hi, welcome. I'm Briggy and you are on my diamond painting channel. Today's video is the first kit review, where I will talk a bit about this Mickey Mouse kit. First, I will start with the basic kit information, then I will share my positive and negative experience with it. And unfortunately, I have some bad news at the end. The painting size is 45 by 45 centimeters with full square diamonds and a total of 40 colors. The kit came in a really cute package. Here is the little bag, and there were extra storage bags. The wax was in a small protective box. The kit also had 3 diamond painting pens with different multi-placer tips, tweezers, 3 rubber grips for the pens, and a big tray that I still like using. Now let's see the guys. So here is Mickey Mouse, the little squirrel, Pluto, one more cutie, Minnie Mouse, Goofy, Donald Duck, and Daisy. Now about the colors. They were really beautiful. So here is purple AB, white, a green, and a red one. So 4 AB drills. Now I have a lot of extra drills. Now about the problems. As you can see, the diamonds are not placed closely together. Instead, there are visible gaps. From the same company, I have 3 more kits. A Jasmine, one with inside-out characters, and Elsa from Frozen. As you can see, there are the same problems. I think I know why. If you observe, the AB diamonds are a bit thicker than the classic ones. Because of this, they can be placed perfectly next to each other. It's such a shame because the canvas material was very soft. I have 3 more kits from the same company, and I show you. So the same beautiful colors, full of AB diamonds, full square, of course. Honestly, I really enjoyed working on these paintings. My first kits made of square diamonds. The company name is Senterwan, and I ordered all of them from Temu. The bad news, however, is that I can't find them anywhere on the internet right now. I did find a similar painting of Elsa on AliExpress, probably from the different company. Hopefully they will appear again. Thank you for your attention and for joining me. If you liked my video, I would love to have you back on my channel another time. Bye! Have a nice day!